Yeah, dude.
You alright?
No?
Like a hobby, I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
Alright, all loaded up. It's 8:40. I basically put everything back together this morning at like 7 to get it ready for the trip. Took a hot minute, but we got it done. On our way to Jackson. Well, I guess I'll pick up Stephanie. Fucking wide load. This is why we don't need roundabouts in our life.
Roundabouts are good. It keeps traffic moving. I think it keeps traffic moving. I mean, that hardly ever happens.
We made it down to Jackson, and somehow we ended up being the first ones here. So, it's alright with me, I guess, because I need to get the mud flares back on the Honda and secured again. Kind of sucks for Stephanie because she's left with no one to talk to.
I'm fine with that because it's freezing outside. It's snowing.
I don't know why it doesn't tell you the temperature when the truck's off.
I don't know, but it's 30 degrees right now.
It was flurrying.
until we were here the last time.
Yeah. I don't think we saw both of them though.
As soon as I heard that, I knew it. I'm like,
Damn, he's a good size.
There's another one somewhere.
That one? That one just landed down there in a tree. Look at him.
Yep, and that's where I...
Yeah, dude.
you alright?
No?
We do to get shot. Maybe I should go up. There's not much of a bank to walk on, especially because it's real slippery. I'll get you from right here. Still gotta walk through it. About to slide into this mud.
Everybody's like campers. Fucking camper. Thank God Johnny's got this damn cabin.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.